This is a protractor. And what it does is it measures angles. And angle measurements are actually measuring the degree to which something has rotated. If I start here and I rotate this around like this, I've rotated this halfway, still rotating it. Now I've rotated it all around 100% of the way. It would be really consistent with our world if this was a 25% angle, and this was a 50% angle, and this was a 75% angle, and this was a 100% angle, because I rotated it 100% of the way around the circle. Right? Wouldn't that make sense? Right? 25% of the way, 1/4 of a circle. Well, as it turns out, once upon a time, there were these people in ancient Egypt called Babylonians, and they had a number system that was base 60 instead of base 10. We have a bunch of leftover stuff from the Babylonians that really we're stuck with them. We have 60 minutes in an hour. We have 360 days in a year plus 5 additional days that were added for the gods. And we have 360 degrees in a circle, and that's part of how this works. An entire rotation is 360 degrees. Half a rotation is 180 degrees. Here's how this works. If I have a line like that, and I want to draw an angle on it with this as a vertex, what I do is I take this protractor and I move it up here so that the vertex of the angle is in this little hole, and the side of the angle is lined up with this black line so you can't see it. Now, if you want to measure the number of degrees, well, you might want to make the angle this way, or you might want to make the angle this way. Not to worry, this little device can do both. If you're going from here, this is 0. And as you go around this way, the numbers on the inside here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 degrees is a right angle, right? 1/4 of a full rotation. And then you keep going around 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, all the way to 180, which is a straight angle. Okay. Or if you wanted to go this way, you can use the numbers on the outside. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's how you use this. And then what you do, if I wanted to draw a 70-degree angle, I would find 70 degrees right here, put a dot here, move my protractor around here so that I lined it up with what is the vertex and what is a point that's 70 degrees. And now this angle right here is a 70-degree angle, which means actually that it is a 7/36th rotation around the circle.